Alright guys, so in this video we will hack username and passwords using an evil pendrive that will make. What this evil pendrive will do is steal the passwords which are saved in your browsers. So you can insert that pendrive into your friend's computer or laptop and get those username and passwords, and that will be so awesome. So let's do this. In order to do this, you need to go to a link which I have shared in the description. So let's go here. Here you will get two folders. In this other folder we have two files now. So just we need to click on this to download, then here say download. This will automatically save the files. So you have to do it one by one because this is media file. After this folder I have got to move here, three files here, download each and every file. After downloading this you will get something like this. Inside other folder you will get the auto run and the USB driver which will help you to auto run this software. And then there is another folder with the software web browser password view. Now what you need to do is copy these both folders, move to your pendrive. First of all you need to format your pendrive. Just format it. After formatting just paste them here. Cool, right? Then you got to remove that pendrive and then again insert it. Now say this is our target system. Now what happens here is that sometimes the auto run file will not run. So what you got to do is manually go inside this pendrive, and here in web password view you will get this icon and double click on it, and this will show you the username and password. Here's the username and password. You can like save these selected items, find a particular item, make an HTML report, or save that file encoding. And in advanced options you see that it will load from Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Safari and all those other web browsers. Neat, right? Now your killer USB, evil USB is ready. Now you just need to go and plug it inside your target system and get those username and password. And sometimes the auto run will work, so it just give you a pop-up with that results, and this is how you do it now. It's very easy to prank your friends. What it does is it automatically load those passwords from web browsers. So that's why I don't save my passwords in web browsers. I just showed you the example how can you use this. I don't really save those passwords. I'll meet you guys in the next tutorial. Cheers.